And welcome everybody, it is Crypto Moose and it's time to get loose. Mitchell Bouchard, your crypto and NFT investor. What I want to do on this episode is answer the question, is the Tangem Wallet worth it? Specifically in 2025. So right now we are June 27th of 2025 and a lot of you have been shopping around and you've been taking a look at different wallets. And you're probably thinking to yourself, what is going to be the best cold wallet? And is the Tangem Wallet worth it? So that's what I want to answer on this episode. If you do get your answer or any answer that you thought you were looking for, like, comment, subscribe. You guys know what to do. So on top of that, we do have a link tree. And the purpose of this, of course, is to promote wallets, to promote Code Moose. So save 10%. But it also helps you with certainty. So if you are going to order a cold wallet, I don't care which one you get. We'll talk about it on this episode. But guys, you have to use a proper link. So Tangem Wallet, if you want, you can pick one up using code Moose, save 10% off. But ultimately, you have to make sure that you buy from a reputable source. So some people, they'll sell these and, they'll do some messing around, and once you load up your crypto, you're screwed. So make sure you use a proper link. That is the first step. So guys, is this wallet worth it? Okay, so this is basically my 1 year review. That's what I want to do on this episode. So I've used tons of different hardware wallets. So this is a hardware wallet, right? Hardware wallet, cold storage. Basically, it allows you to hold your keys, your private keys, when you create a wallet. You can hold them offline. Basically, this acts as an intermediary. So when you go to sign a transaction, you need to physically interact with this device. Okay. So with this particular wallet, it works with an app. And yes, guys, this wallet is worth it. Okay. So basically what we do on this channel is we review different products and I talk about stuff that I like and that I believe in. So it makes it way easier as well, right? So of course we're going to do paid promotions. We're going to talk about different things, but this wallet is something that I love. So here I'm going to open up the app just to give you an example. And if you want, guys, head over to the channel, type in Tangem. I've done so many different videos and tutorials. So there's tons of videos. I've done unboxing videos. If you want to get a nice 4K look, sure, you can see it here, but I've done it under better lighting conditions, utilizing better cinematography or specific camera motivation for that. So I've done tons of different videos. Ultimately, you want to watch the setup videos. I recommend watching the one. Where is it? This wallet does everything. I just did a video too. It's the one with the private keys. So how to send crypto. So if you already have crypto on a Coinbase, Binance, any other wallet, I teach you how to send it to this wallet. We also have how to set up Tangem using a seed phrase. So I do highly recommend that if you are going to set up this wallet, that you check out how to set it up. Okay. So here I'm just going to follow the steps and we're going to sign into the wallet. Okay. Maybe I should do my other wallet actually, because I do have a little more Bitcoin we can let loose on. So here I'm going to scan, and I've got multiple Tangem wallets with different accounts. So it's that easy, right? So you're just going to scan it, put in your password. You can make it pretty swift. And then now we are logged in. So we got quite a bit. We got like 11 G's right here, full of Bitcoin. So I do trust this wallet. I've got a lot of money on here. Just on this particular wallet. So what I like about this wallet the most is that it fits in your wallet. Okay. So this Tangem wallet fits in your wallet. It's a credit card size. Boom. Now I can take this with me wherever I go. If I, say the market goes up, I want to get out of the market, I can easily swap as well. So here you have a swap function. So here you can hit on Bitcoin, Cardano, whatever asset that this wallet supports, you can swap for a stable token. You can even sell. You can do quite a bit. You can buy. And ultimately, with this wallet, it doesn't take a battery, right? It's the simplicity, right? Simplicity is the ultimate sophistication, and I tend to trust it more and more. From what I understand, this wallet's never been hacked, and you can write down your seed phrase. Okay, so with that being said, it's got all the hardware and software that I like, and it's at a price point that I like as well. This wallet you can pick up for literally $50. $50 USD using code Moose, guys. Like, I just don't know what else you can get in that price range. There are other wallets. There's, Trezors, Ledgers, but they're much more expensive. And for the most part, you have to plug it into a laptop, right? A desktop. So, 240, 250. For $50, you're not going to get something like this. And that has a backup card. And that works so mobile friendly with an app. So I don't know what else to say other than, yeah, this wallet is worth the hype. I love talking about this product, and it gets better and better and better. So as the channel progresses, as we see the Visa partnership come through, there's so much happening with Tangem that I'm excited about. So guys, comment down below, do you own one? Has this helped you out a little bit? But personally, I now recommend this wallet over everything else. It's just the way it is. There's also the Tangem ring. I like it. I typically don't like to wear rings all the time, but I do like this, as that is more on you if you're not the kind of guy or girl that has a wallet, right? Or like a purse, right? So it's definitely an option as well, but I always have my wallet on me. So guys, that's it. Comment down below. What are your thoughts on Tangem? And yeah, we'll see you in the next one.